when I'm feeling the vibe. This could be the time of our life. Me and you mix too, that's the vibe. It's all coming from time to time, especially when I'm feeling the vibe. This could be the time of our life. Me and you mix too, that's the vibe. It's all coming from time to time, especially when I'm feeling the vibe. This could be the time of our life. Me and you mix too, that's the vibe. That's the vibe. That's the vibe. That's the vibe. Me and you mix too, that's the vibe. It's all coming from time to time, especially when I'm feeling the vibe. This could be the time of our life. Me and you mix too, that's the vibe. That's the vibe. That's the vibe. That's the vibe. Me and you mix too, that's the vibe. It's all coming from time to time, especially when I'm feeling the vibe. This could be the time of our life. Me and you mix too, that's the vibe. That's the vibe. That's the vibe. Me and you mix too, that's the vibe. From time to time, especially when I'm feeling the vibe. This could be the time of our life. Me and you mix too, that's the vibe. It's all coming from time to time, especially when I'm feeling the vibe. This could be the time of our life. Me and you mix too, that's the vibe. It's all coming from time to time, especially when I'm feeling the vibe. This could be the time of our life. Me and you mix too, that's the vibe. That's the vibe. That's the vibe. That's the vibe. Me and you mix too, that's the vibe. It's all coming from time to time, especially when I'm feeling the vibe. This could be the time of our life. Me and you mix too, that's the vibe. That's the vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. Me and you mix too. That's a vibe. It's like coming from time to time, especially when I'm feeling the vibe. This could be the time of a life. Me and you mix too. That's a vibe. That's a vibe.
Damn, why is the mic skitzing? What's up, you guys? Tell me if the mic sounds cooked to you guys on YouTube. Just let me know. How the fuck do I get rid of the screen? Oh yeah. What's up, you guys? What's up, YouTube? Why's the mic acting up? Oh, it's all good? I'm gonna put the filter on anyway. It looks like it's going crazy. Damn, I should have held this trade. Yeah, I was in a sell up here. I was in a sell up here, but got out because I was stuck in it for ages. I'm not waiting much longer. What up, Az? Good to see you, brother. Jack. Oh, you still got one micro running? I put a SIG in the mentorship group. So check this out. I put this SIG in the group. I said, if this closes, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, it ended up closing. Took the sell here. I got stuck in it for like half an hour. It wasn't even moving. So I closed it at BE. Should have held. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. I think it's best. I think it's a good practice to get in to just cut it when it looks dog shit. Most of the time it doesn't work out. Big Grant, what up? Nikki over here on TikTok. Let me follow you backy. Dope. Here we go, man. Hey, Aaron, that thing we were just talking about, my guy reckons that he's starting a mentorship in his space, and that's why he's pushing those type of numbers. Because we know the other guy likes to push fake numbers as well. Awesome. If this can push and close green like this, I'm going to buy gold. 100%. Yeah, it makes sense. Because you'll see the message that I sent you. It's like, nah. Yeah, you know what? I didn't even realize there's some sort of holiday or something. Bank holiday. Wow, and this is New York as well. Okay, we're probably gonna get nerfed for volume then. Yeah, yeah. So that's why it could be, it just doesn't add up. What up, monkey? But yeah, not many people are probably going to be around the block because it's some sort of holiday. for New York. NQ, wow, look at NQ, absolutely nothing. Thanksgiving, yeah. Absolutely nothing on NQ. All day. But I'm not a quitter, so we're going to see what happens here. So, Jack, I can't believe you held this. My boy's holding a 55 pip trade. That explains the volume. Yeah, I didn't even think about that. I mean, are all these trendline people about to get nerfed or what? Oh, yeah, Nikki, let me see if I click on your thing. I wonder why it's not giving me the option to do that. Oh, hang on, here we go. Yes. Oh, wow, I did it, Nikki. Yeah, W. Oh, look at all the duties. You have the ability to do a lot of things. Yeah, you guys on TikTok, be on your best behavior. Got security over there now. How many streams do you open at once? Wait. All right, man. Hands on, tools on. What up, Pharaoh? 4-hour downtrend. Yeah, there's a lot of things happening here. Nothing super interesting. Now, you know what? I'm going to actually have a quick look here because I haven't really done a bit of analysis at all, really. Daily's just this. It's red. 4 hours. The previous 4 hour has no bottom wick. I wonder if that's an area of interest. 1 hour is that. 30 minutes, that. Maybe we could look at this level here. I mean, bro, did you guys tune in for the most craziest top-down analysis breakdown? I mean, no one really gives a shit, I don't think. So that's why I don't really go into a hectic top-down analysis. I think you guys have already done a relative amount of analysis yourself. So I'm going to mark this level as a break below potentially, or a bounce off. Fill this wick. Maybe even tap into the bottom end of it. This is that 4 hour candle with no wick. What's the probability of prices coming and tapping below that? Shivy back at it with the emojis. Trend line. Tori will be happy to see it. Yeah. This is the most good looking trader. Can't hear anything when looking at him. Hey. I'm married to the game of losing money. I'm married to the game of blowing accounts. Oh man, I can't say that anymore without it sounding weird. Look what the guys in the group put. I mean, I'll probably never find it. Does anyone know how to find that thing that Shem made about accounts? And you'll never be able to talk about accounts in the same way after you see his photo. What up, May? Oh, you DM'd it? Let's have a look. Bro, meet the man who legally changed his name to accounts. Because you know how we always talk about, oh man, I blew so many accounts. I blew an account, and then these guys made it turned it zesty. So now I can't. Every time I say it, I think of that, which isn't cool. What up, Abby? Prices. Jack, are you still holding? Don't be a bitch about it. I'd hold at least to this break of this 4 hour. Damn, I should have held. I mean, I think I did the right thing by cutting my losses at BE, just because if it's not behaving how you anticipated, you might as well just... Oh, check this. Let's have a look. Let's check the dis on the SIG. Oh, look at this. Sick. Partials all the way down here. This is a big trade, man. For a big boy. Nice. Timothy. Oh, you're still in as well, Doc. Doc. Allison. Yeah. Holiday today. Thanksgiving. I mean, why doesn't Australia have any type of Thanksgiving shit? That's so dumb. All right, whatever. This is pre-workout. Because I've only had 4 million coffees today already. Yep. Okay, there's a bit of a wick fill there. Other than that, this next level is super juicy. We're just gonna have to keep an eye on this. This first candle open here, I think is gonna tell a bit of a story. It's gonna be tough to want to trade NQ until stock exchange, I think, at this point, because there's nothing happening. GC. You're out, nice. Sunset in Dubai, yeah, sunset in Dubai. Happy Thanksgiving to you, low volume, yeah. Thank you, giving. Nice. I think if this can reject up and hold above, I might be interested in buys. Maybe. Yeah, NQ massive consolidation. W Nikki. You're at full? Nice. Oh, Bitcoin's melting, is it? I bet, bro, if it's not melting, you're getting blocked. All right, where are you? Yep. You're getting blocked. That's for put you in timeout for 1 minute. Think about your actions. Think about your actions. We got to stop reacting to every candle movement. Yeah, I think Angst thinks he's giving his Australia Day. Plem, I knew you were Aussie. I just knew it. Have mercy. Yeah, that's why I only blocked for a minute. Yeah, I'm doing well, Rob. Hope you're doing well. Yeah. Do you ever trade crypto? On the personal a little bit? Yeah. Please explain how you know it's a good breakout. I mean, I've got so many videos on that. TikTok chat actually quiet. Yeah, it cooks up after a while. But I don't know. I think TikTok fully nerfed trading content. A lot of traders I've been speaking to are saying their content viewership and stuff around trading has been nerfed completely. And I'm in the same boat. Everyone around the same time were just like dropped off. Shibby. Oh, fuck. What's it like living in Dubai? It's just the same as anywhere. Bay or Seal. It's just the same as living anywhere. Except a little bit different. How's your personal account? Let's have a look. How can I withdraw your personal account using your link? How can I withdraw your personal account using your link? I'm at 19 bands on this perso. Yeah. I wish I could trade today, but I've got a strategy finder bot open on my other. Yeah, playing with bots and stuff. Appreciate your content. It's very useful. Nice. Good to hear, Roger. Roger that. All right, man. We've got 45 seconds. Candles holding above this level here. How much did you start with? Nothing. Basically, just started with prop firms. I mean, Nikki's trying to mod my chat in the TikTok chat, but they're like giving her compliments and all this stuff. Hard life being a girl. Oh, on the 19K account, I started with 5. Yeah, I started with 5. Oh, look at this last minute here. I just pushed through. Do we want to take a breakout here? Pretty extended, man. You're an extended man. I kind of want to take a breakout here. It's not a good trade. I don't suggest anyone put the house on it. I'll wait till we get out of this minute. Should have seen the Facebook message. Oh, I'm scared. Yeah, I might take a breakout here and anticipate this trend line to be broken. I don't suggest anyone else take it. It's very overextended. Oh, Nikki muted someone.
Order filled.
Well, that was fucking quick. Don't want to be alone. Push little candle, give me lots of money. Go, 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 go. I'm gonna go BE because this is already a sketchy trade. I'm going BE, I'm BE, BE. Break even. No! Bro, 1 pip away. No. Come on, man. Yes, no. Let me get emotionally attached to every move. Oh, somehow I got profits out of that. All right, well, I gave it a good stab. Did I get greedy? How many pips was that in profit? Oh, it's only 12 pips. Yeah, that's nothing. All right, good management. Good management. GG's. Yeah, we'll see what happens here. Try and give it another crack. Yeah, it was only 12 pips. I mean, I did go BE relatively quick. It's just because it's already pretty overextended. Somehow I got money out of that BE trade. Maybe I should just keep going BE. You're holding a sell from London high? Nice. Took $10. Let's go. Alternatively, like what is actually a good setup here is if this can push back up in the range and close up bullish up here, that'll be great to buy back up into this range. Like if we're being real about it. Yeah, definitely. Massive profits. Yes, sir. Is it 50K count? Yeah. Yeah, it's a 50. I think tomorrow I'm good for another max payout on this account. That'll be 11 in like 33 days. 11 payouts, my G's. $10 profit. Let's go. Quit that shit. Nikki, your job, you can't quit your job. You just started. Love your trades, love you. How about that? Flip the script on you. Well, I trade top step at the moment. Just chop step, chopped step. Oh, come on, man. This is going to drop now, you guys. This is going to melt. And it's going to fucking break this trend line. It's just going to melt to the floor. Hey, bro, I found out that I don't trade Monday and Friday. I'm profitable. Nah, I think that's cap, bro. I think you're tripping out a bit. I would say trade it. The 20-year FEG just got retested. Yes. Wait, Nikki's getting gifts in my chat? Oh, no, you're not. You're getting... Yeah, I see what's happening. Yeah, I got to start looking at the gifts more. I could be getting rich and not realizing. Yeah, if... Oh, look at the chats. 555. That's cool. Does 555 mean anything in, like, you know, wizard? You know, people, you know, the little wizard stuff? Does 555 mean anything? Oh, yeah, I'm going to bring up this drawing tool and I'll show you something. And I'm not going to draw dick and balls. Yeah, does 555 mean anything in wizard language? Good to have you here, Akash. Your Oh, 555 means grace and change. Yes. Wait, what's that, Grant? Means faith and hope in the Bible. Yes. Finally, I switched up from the 666 ones. No, I don't trade the DAX. So look at this, you guys. If this candle can come up here now and close back in this range, I think this is a great buying opportunity. This is a great investment opportunity to add to your portfolio. Yeah. Means you can go full margin. Yes. Oh, look at Nikki. Nikki's muting someone else. So how long we got? A little bit of minutes here. Enki's got nothing in the tank right now. Portfolio. It's a great investment opportunity to get into the property market. Fucking... Yeah, so many places in Dubai you walk around and they go, oh man, I come invest in this property. Yeah. Just itching to trade? Nice. Yeah, that's what you really want to be when you're trading. You want to be on the edge of your seat, just bursting from the seams to force a trade. Sun looks so crazy. I'll tell you one thing about Dubai. The sun's like bigger. It looks like it's like way bigger. You try and film it on your phone, it just looks like a dot. Does no justice. Really, Nikki? That's hilarious. Learn a lot from your breakout strat. Awesome. Let's get it, Dennis. Ferguson. Clem, where in Australia do you live? Any of you Australian cats, meet up. This is probably like one of your coming up to the last chances to join the meetup. We're doing a meetup on the 13th, I think. Yeah, on the 13th in Brisbane. Traders meetup. We're going to chill out and do all this stuff and hang out with other traders. It's going to be fire, man. So if you're Australian, you can make it to this. You don't have to be in like my community specifically, but just come on down. Yeah, it's going to be like one of those things where you're going to connect with a lot of guys and you'll just naturally level up being around other winners. Trust me. You know, what's the thing? Jay-Z said, would you rather $4 billion or to have dinner with Jay-Z? This is the Jay-Z dinner. Like, isn't that the dumbest thing? Would you rather $10 trillion or to have dinner with Jay-Z? It's like, I don't want to have dinner with fucking Jay-Z. Oh, dude. You killed it on that track, Renegade. Eminem cooked you on that track, son. Do you accept Trade Sharp members as well? Bro, 80 members. I accept all foreigners. Okay, this is looking nice if we can hold up here. They'll never learn, Nikki. It's just like it's an unlosing battle. Yeah. Yeah, it's an unwinnable battle. Top myself, I come to the meetup, I pass funder, but I think that emphasis is on. Nah, fuck the funder, just come anyway. Coming to Austria. Austria. Alright, you know what we're gonna do to determine whether we're going to Austria. You guys know what we're gonna do. Oh wow, this is Austrian women? They're like all old school and shit? Wow. This looks AI. Damn, I don't know how I feel about this. Is this chick Austrian? I don't know how I feel about these chicks. What do you guys reckon? Nothing's jumping out at me. Yeah, nothing's jumping out. I might have to give Austria a miss. Ah, you got 4 kids and shit. Yeah, I see. In your opinion, how long should a trader focus on building consistency on their own personal account before even considering a prop challenge? I think it should be the other way around. I think it should be the other way around, brother. Women aren't real, yeah. All right, man, I got 3 minutes. This is looking potentially nice if we can hold here. Stick to Dubai women? No. Take that back, son. How much should one have to have a mean life in Dubai? You want a decent amount. You don't want to have. You want enough money where you don't have to worry about money. And even then, I wouldn't even suggest coming to Dubai. Dubai is only good if you want to set up a business and shit, or you want to not pay a bunch of tax. I don't know what I would feel about this live trading in women. Oh, trading next women, yes, yeah. Slovakia, yeah, Slovakia's got good women. All right, man, 2 minutes. Your boy's going blind, all good. Stick to dudes. Bro, just stick to dudes. Where's your pirate hat for stream? What pirate hat, bro? I was looking at someone wearing a cowboy hat today, and I was like, man, I need to get a cowboy hat. How about Australian breakdancers? Yeah, fuck. Yeah, go to Brazil, 100%. Colombia. Got to fund it next, so I watch your video. Yeah, dope. Funded next, you guys. Description in the shits. 120% refund. There's a link. I'm gonna turn this noise suppressor off. Hopefully it's not like... Check. Yeah, I don't know what's up with the mic. It seems really aggressive. Come on, gold, bruh. Come on, gold, brother. That's a five. Did I want to know about your previous trade, which made you 3K? Yeah, just took a breakout down here, full margin. Break below slow, a bit overextended, but I was pretty bullish on the day, so yeah, just moved down after that. That's one of the benefits, and it's why I always tell guys, like, have multiple accounts. Like, you have your funded account, and then try and filter through some other challenge accounts, and always just have some shit on the back. Always just have some shit cooking. I've got like so many payouts and so much healthy accounts at the moment where I'm able to go heavy every now and then. Sometimes it pays off, sometimes it doesn't. Like I blew an account the other day and shit, like going heavy after a payout, whatever. Bro, how long you been in trading? I don't know. Yeah, 5 years coming up to about. Never see him showing entries. Yeah, he hides entries. As soon as I'm about to enter, I make sure no one can see anything ever, and I block everyone quickly. Vanessa, good to see ya. Good to Vanessa ya. What happened to Top Step yesterday? Yeah, I got chop sueyed. Yeah, so we broke, like we're just kind of in the middle of this point right here. It's a 30 closure as well. Do we want to take a buy off this level? I mean, I'm just so skeptical. This is like clearly like this major level that's... Yeah, let me think here for a sec. If this breaks this high and then like that and comes back and can come back and re-break that high, I might enter. Honey Bear, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Brother from another... Oh. It's ranging? Yeah. Very range bound, guys. Be careful. Bank holiday, range central. Yeah. What's your win rate? Really, like 1 win to every 73 losses. Yeah, look at these candles. Have you ever tried to trade silver? Silver's not good for day trading. It's probably good for... I wanted to have a long position on silver ages ago, and then it shot up 10 billion. And then I regretted not having a long position. What's the reason you want to buy that? Well, I kind of did want to buy that. What I was saying was, I said if it can break that high, which it did, and then come back and then re-break it, I'll have an entry sitting there. I didn't want to take it on the first flip, but I guess I guess it's whatever. What's the 4x 4 hour look like? Yeah, it took a little breakout here and then got BE'd. I've had 1 win and 2 BEs today. You think it's smart to trade on holidays? Yes, because every time there's a holiday, I trade and make lots of money. As you can see today, I've made 3,400 on a holiday, so there's your answer. Yeah, what Claudian said. Top 10 bad habits. Oh, did silver really dump hard? If silver didn't dump, you're getting timed out. All right, where are you? Okay. Mute trader for 1 minute. There you go. You're in detention because, yeah, you're just one of these guys. Nowadays, everybody start trade live rather than sell course. Hey, stupid. What would you rather? People trade live so you can see what they're doing in real time, or would you rather complain about them not trading live and then say they sell course? Can't see, there's people in life that you can never they'll never be happy regardless. It's wild. Nowadays, everybody just shows how they make money for free online, live in real time. Damn it. Yeah, potential impulse buys there would be nice. What are you going to do? Fuck's sake, what the hell, bro? Yeah, be careful today, you guys. Very weird shit. Nice, Aaron. Good to know. The more you do, people must talk. Yeah, I'm so good at like dealing with hate. Not that I get hate or anything. Well, you always get stupid people, but I realized a long time ago that, and this isn't cope, this is like real talk, that the people that hate, when you go on their profiles, they're ugly. No, I'm only joking. But you know what I mean. Ugly just in their soul. I don't know, it's like this weird correlation. Oh, someone's calling me. It's my cleaners. There's nothing they need to tell me right now. Yeah, live streams are good. I think that anyone that trades live, you should really like kiss them because it's pretty rare. Myself, Aaron Trades, who's another Aussie. Yeah. All right, now the price is kind of back up here. Let's use our brains here for a minute. Is this a wick, these two candles? Yeah, it is. All right, I'm gonna do a thing here. This is an area of interest. I could see price popping its head up here. I might disregard this 15. Let's pay attention here. Let's just keep an eye on this. Yeah, anyone that's new here, we took a little breakout sell down here and then just got them BE'd it. I took a breakout earlier here. That's why my account's up pretty nicely. And now we're going to look to take one more. That's all. That's literally all we're going to do for the rest of the day. It's nice to see even profitable people can make mistakes and hasty decisions. Who makes mistakes and hasty decisions? Nah, but that's true. Everyone makes. You can make mistakes, put on the wrong size, or there's. I mean, you get to a certain level, and there's never like. It's either you're going to take a higher risk trade or not. Like that would be the closest thing to a mistake for like at an advanced level. Where you're like, this is a riskier trade. It could play out. But then you just manage it well. That's why like down here I said, pretty overextended, I'm going to jump in, but I'm going to manage quick, which I did. I said, don't put the house on it. You and Aaron are the trades, good live, watch line. Yeah. Yeah. TikTok can't be real, I told you. Please make a broad strategy with a strategy breakdown. I'm dropping a broad video with strategy breakdown in 2 days. Anyone here a good thumbnail designer? Because some of you guys hit me up like, bro, I'm a thumbnail designer, and it looks like my my old school thumbnails. Damn, I don't think I have my old ones. They're on my old computer, unfortunately. You guys, my old thumbnails were so fucking bad. And these guys are trying to hit me up like, yeah, bro, we can do your thumbnails. I'm like, come on, G. What camera are you using? I'm using a ZV-E10 with a Sigma lens. Sigma boy. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream. If you don't, you hate me, you think I'm ugly and fat. Drop a thumbs up for the stream, helps your algorithm. Yeah. All right, so we're in this range. It's very obvious we're in this range and we want to get out of this range. I'm interested in trading within this range. If this candle can kind of come up and reject this, I'm interested in trading in this range, to be honest, because clean range is just one color so far to the immediate left, but we're gonna have to see. What concepts are you trading? ICT. The Chinaman hat thumbnail, it's yeah, that one's actually... The bias for the session is no bias. We have to be realistic about what we're seeing here. And right now there's consolidation. There is a bit of volume kicking in, but it's weird. There's weirdness going on. And so that's why you really want to be on your P's and Q's. I don't even know what that means, but yeah, I'm just going to look for my standard stuff. Price action, breakouts, bounces off. Just wait for it to come to us. This buy takeout went up quick. That's why you didn't take this. Now, the reason I didn't take this is just I would have liked more strength in this green candle for confirmation of like strength pushing back up. But I was still pretty interested as an impulse buy at the break of that high. So I just wanted one more piece of confirmation. I wanted to break it, reject, and then I was going to put an order in. The probability if it re-breaks it the second time, the probability of it going up is a bit higher then. That's all I wanted. I wanted just that extra bit of confirmation because I didn't get the box ticked here that I wanted ticked. That was all it was. At the end of the day, every time you get a setup, it's like, it's never going to be perfect. So you have to do the math of like, okay, is there enough for, can I stack enough shit in my favor to be interested in? I have a very different strategy, Mr. Raw than Daniel, but I like coming on the stream to interact with his friends. Good to have you here, Bonface. Three minutes here. Yeah, don't worry about any of that ICT shit. I mean, don't listen to me. I don't know anything. Do you think the sessions mean something today? Not because of the... Yeah, I mean, it's a US bank holiday, and this is like the New York session. I don't know if that correlates. I think it does a bit. Because typically, I'll happily trade bank holidays, no dramas. But there's no denying, like I took a sell here, and obviously I could have held, but I ended up closing at break even because it just... Honestly, price was just like stuck in one spot for like 30 seconds at a time. I was like, where the fuck did the volume go? Yeah. I mean, NQ is just looking so cool. Uh, 2 minutes. How you going? How's your week been, Shib Dog? Then you draw your thoughts. What's up, MC? Good to see you. I'll draw my thoughts when this candle closes. We've got a minute and a half here. Big rejection. I'll be surprised if price doesn't at least pop its head up here. New York starts in 1 hour. That's a stock exchange, not the actual New York session. Oh, is it your first time in the New York one, Vanessa? Nice, good to have you. New York. Not the best, okay. Yeah, been a bit, I mean, it's just another week, I guess. Basic trading, if it was at the time you booked and with all the things that you booked and they said to be keep an eye out for, then it would have been what you expected. Fell asleep on the screen. Descending triangle. I mean, I know that it does look like there's some sort of pennant forming here. I used to trade pennants a lot. They're just too unpredictable. You don't read TikTok messages? The reason why I'm probably not answering questions you say and stuff like that is because it's like, what session is this and stuff, and it's like, come on, man. Basic trading, if you put your details in, you would receive emails and shit like that too. What's your thoughts on scalping the 1 minute time frame? Yeah, I don't know. It's going to be really hard. It's going to take a long time to master that. Nah, December will be fine. Send me a DM basic trading if you're, and I can follow up. Because you should have received the email. What's the one-on-one course price? How do I take it? You go to danielholmestrades.com for those that want to work one-on-one. danielholmestrades.com for those that want to work one-on-one. I mean, it's a good time to start. What I've been saying to my guys, let's train you up for the rest of the year and then come into 2026 super sharp and ready to fucking kick it off with a bang. In this range, what do you guys think? Are we going to get volume today, you guys, or what? Or you reckon we're just fighting a losing battle, considering it's bank holiday, US? Like, it's even unusual the way that this candle's just stuck here like this right now. Thanks, MC. No clue? Yeah. Is this Bitcoin? This is gold coin. I like what you said there. Look at this. Vanessa's new to the mentorship. She's been through all the course content twice now, so learning what not to take. Do you know what's so much more important is to learn when to not take a trade than it is to learn to take a trade? Everyone's like dying to take a trade, but who knows when to stand down from a trade? That's where real heroes are born. Bay or Seal. Feminism is a problem. Wow, this is crazy. We could like consolidate here until the stock exchange and then pop. I don't know. I have no idea, you guys. Dirk, pleasure is mine. Price action today crazy? You mean crazy good or crazy bad? Because right now it's stuck in the mud. Make sure you guys on YouTube drop a thumbs up for the stream, gang. Slither your thumb across the up button. Yeah, we're going to go to Bali, trading Bali retreat in April. Yeah, send me a message, Basic Trader, on TikTok. Send me a DM. We'll double check and help you out, my G. You read DMs on Discord, on IG? Yeah, only if it's interesting. I mean, only if it's worth reading, yeah. That's the only reason, only way I would. Book it in soon? Yeah, we'll book it in soon. Yeah. God damn, okay. Here we go. Ugly 30 candles. Good stuff, Alan. Yeah, just let the trade come to you, especially on days like this. I mean, volume could kick in, but right now we've got to be very aware. I mean, we can't deny the fact that there's... Yeah. Push the Bali trip to May, bro. It's too far now. We've already pushed it so far. I'd rather price move down, to be honest, for like better setups. Shivi, I just know that you're talking smackaroo. Oh, look. My phone thought I was saying Siri or something. Shivi is Siri. I actually remember you having literally 10 to 20 people watching. Really? That's crazy. Yeah. I mean, yeah, that's a good point. I started streaming a little bit, like a bit over a year ago. And I remember the first time I flicked to 11, like I seen 2 digits. I was like, oh shit, this is crazy. It took ages for that. It took like a couple months. Pretty sure. Who could stream every single day with no one in the chat talking to yourself for a couple months? I mean, people go to war. I guess it doesn't really fucking, it's not that hefty. It's not that difficult. Only, yeah, like you said, the consistency. It's not difficult, but people, it's really like, your ability to be consistent with something is so important in life, I think. Good stuff, Rushmore. Enid, what's happening? What's happening? Good to see ya. Has Top Step changed in payout rules better or worse? I mean, yeah, I just had a little bit of a read about that. I don't even know what it means, but I'm sure it'd be fine. Trading and streaming, yeah. Big shout out to Seth. Love that guy. Yeah, Seth's an OG. Yeah, coming to Oz in December, like for the whole Christmas shit. There's a burger. All right, man. I guess this is the hour coming up. This has been an awesome hour candle, and we'll see if some price kicks in now. NQ is completely stuck in the mud. All good. Why'd you block me, bro? Probably because you did something dumb. Coffee? Yeah. I mean, I'm coming in on December 12th, I think, or 11th. Let's see how we go. It's going to be hectic. That's for sure. How'd you manage overtrading? Really, it's really hard, man. The answer is not one you want. The answer is you're going to be in so much pain from the results that come from overtrading that you're just going to have to fucking stop eventually. Logan Paul's back, bro. Stream live for the members group. Yeah, the members group, it's pretty much every live. Asia, London, New York, Egypt. Why block me? Probably did something crazy as well. Question, why do traders know their rules in their system yet keep reading them when they feel pressure? Keep reading them? They know their rules yet keep reading them when they feel the pressure inside the human mind, the market itself, sabotage. I don't know what you mean. I'm interested to know what you mean. Try and explain it again. I didn't say a bad thing. I said break, support, zone, and resistance. Yeah, that's exactly right. That's why he got banned. No, I don't know. Oh, fuck. Come on, Candle. Move down, big fella. Come on down. What's the trick trading gold compared to NQ? Nothing. Just stay out of low volume with NQ. I'm watching your stream of the first. Oh, fuck, man. Okay, wait, you said, why do traders know their rules and their system yet keep breaking them when they feel pressure? Oh. It's because everything else in life typically equates to success when you got to understand, like in business, when you take a loss or something bad happens, especially as a man, the way you get through it and keep the business afloat and find success is to get back on the horse and work even harder to fix the patches and build it back up and do this and that. That's a part of like it's in your DNA. But in trading, when you take a loss, it triggers that same emotion. I need to fix this. But in trading, when you take a loss, you got to walk away. So it's literally goes against everything in a human's nature, trading. That's why it's so difficult. That's why no one can do it. It literally goes against every natural emotion, instinct. So you've got to actually reprogram your brain to not react the same way you react in every other situation. It's really difficult. It takes time. That's why these days when people say, how do I stop revenge trading? How do I stop overtrading? I don't give you advice anymore. I just say, you're gonna have to learn through pain. You got to, one, obviously know your rules, know that you need to stick to them. Then after that, it's on you, Keithy. Why do I keep self-sabotage myself with terrible trades? I lost an account today. I want to prove something. I mean, if you were to sit down with yourself, you would be able to tell why you do it. I think you even just said it there. I want to prove something or something, but I don't know to who. And maybe that's something to write down and think about it. Like, don't get me wrong, in trading, there's a time and a place to go aggressive on certain trades and do this and that. But my question to you is, and I probably already know the answer, you probably self-sabotage yourself outside of trading, whether that's with bad habits, overeating, doom scrolling, not going to the gym, alcohol, weed, anything, lust, you know, all these things that are self-sabotaging behaviors. It's just going to trickle into your trading. I can say this from experience. Thanks, Claudian. All right, man, we've got a couple minutes here. This candle clock. Oh, we've got 15 seconds. What's the 1 hour look? 30 minute. Oy, what the fuck? That's good to hear, Lorato. Because what's the first thing when your account, when that stop loss gets hit, what's the first thing? You feel a bit of a thing, your heart rate's probably a little bit increased. It's all fight or flight emotions. All right, man, here's an hour closure. We'll see what happens. Can we get any volume here, gold? You know what I mean? Can a brother get some volume? So my self-sabotage is that I close my trade too early. That's not self-sabotage, that's fear. It's very important to identify what emotions they are. That's not self-sabotage, that's fear. So you don't have enough faith in your system to hold. And that's just repetition, that's normal, bro. Everyone's gonna get through that. So I'd just say just more time on the charts and make a conscious effort that, hey, this trade I'm gonna hold until my full, like to this exact level. And if you don't hold, it has to be very logical as to why you're cutting it. It can't be emotion based. You excited to come back to Brisbane? Yeah, excited to come back and visit for a bit, for sure. Yeah, I am. I haven't seen rain in like 5 months. What strategy do you work on ICT? Price action, my G. Sweet as plan. This is the head and shoulders going when it hits the first liquidity. Yeah. Yeah, you lost your combine today in this price action for sure. Like, be careful. That's why I've said, man, I've already taken 3 trades today. 1 win and 2 BEs. So I've taken trades, but the way that it's looking right now, we really want to make sure the trade's coming to us, make sure it makes sense. I said it's this week. Wait, what's that, Shippy? How the fuck do you make 300 today? A sell in Asia. Can I be honest with this answer? Have you used Bookmap? No. What's your worst day of trading? Just blowing all these accounts and shit. Yeah, just blowing heaps of accounts. I think one of my worst tilt days was like blowing a couple of fundeds, then out of rage buying a bunch more and then blowing all them as well. So like, you know, blew fund accounts, went and brought a bunch of challenges, just blew all them as well and just went on like this psychotic spiral of death. And then just cried or something, and then I was like, oh, I need to stop doing this, I need to figure it out. But what I was gonna say before, like, don't be afraid to, like, when you get to a certain level, like, put on some size on some trades and shit like that. Like, we are here to make money. So like, again, it comes back to make sure you have multiple accounts. You've always got a challenge account that's nearly over the line. Like, because accounts come and go. If Top Step moved me to live, which they probably are gonna, I'm fucked because I don't build up these accounts for 10,000 years and like, oh, I've got this account with $4 million on it. It's like, nah, I just build it up, get a payout, full margin it, see if I can get another payout and blow it. And I'm just cycling through these bitches like it's going out of fashion. You know, so my point is, like, look at this. I'm about to get another full payout. I think tomorrow I'm eligible for it. This is 10 payouts in like under 30 days or some shit. I mean 33 days or whatever. Look, the first was 25th of last month. Today's the 28th of this month. And these are all juices as well. Look, 4, 3, 5, 4, bang, bang, bong. Really good living you can make off this shit. But obviously you need to know the system. You need all the shit. You got all the, yeah, you got to know all the stuff or whatever. How did you get yourself out of the rage? I mean, what are you going to do about it? You can rage and then buy more accounts and blow them, and then what? So you just have to get humbled. Yeah, you just have to get humbled, I guess. There's nothing else you can do. I did this shit for years, you guys. I was in the cycle of death for years. Yeah. But I've guys that I've mentored, they get like consistent and they break their bad habits, and they're like, in 6 months, these guys are getting payouts and they're consistently doing the shit the right way. It's wild. Do you think joining the mentorship helps speed up your profitability? Not only does it help, it's like, obviously it's going to help. And I'm not saying that it doesn't have to be my mentorship. If you get a mentorship in general, you will drastically speed up the process to success. I wish I did it back in the day, but there just wasn't really mentors back then doing it. Save you literally years of time. How much did you lose before profitable? I don't know, 10, 12, 15 grand or something. It was like 2-year period. Wow, this is fucking boring, man. I mean, we'll see what happens when 9:15 cooks in, if any volume comes in at 9:15. If not, it's not a good sign, to be brutally honest. Well, there's something happening right there. Do I want to take a little impulse sell based on the 1 hour's kind of held down here? Whoa! Whoa-y! I mean, fuck, this is a weird day, man. I mean, I guess we're here, we've got to do something about it, but fuck, this is weird. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, any of you guys ask about the mentorship, you go to danielholmestrades.com. Again, this is a mentorship. Obviously, you learn the course content and the trading strategy and things like that, but this is a mentorship. You work with me one-on-one. You don't have to be experienced and shit like that, but you do have to be serious about your trading. Submit an application there. You have to want to take this game serious. Blown close to 30 accounts? Nice. Yeah, that's rookie numbers, bro. Applied for your mentorship on Monday, haven't heard anything. Stuart, I would say if you message me on one of my social medias, and we'll follow up about that. Check your spam folders and shit. Alright, man, can we move up to this level? I'll put a thing here. Potential buyers above. You know. I'm hoping at 9:15 we get volume kick in, to be honest with you guys. Yeah, I'm really hoping that. When I execute a trade, it definitely hits TP, but little drawdown. I close before I hit my stop loss. Yeah, because it's just fear. You're fearful. Is it yearly? I think so, yeah. I can't remember. What do you mean serious? What should qualify as serious? I mean, don't come in there, don't apply for the mentorship if you're just looking for signals and shit. Like, it's a mentorship, so it's for people that are serious about their trading. Like, do you want to take this serious? This isn't a hobby. If you're here as a hobby, cool, but you're not going to make money. Like, it takes dedication and time and effort. and taken it serious to actually make money in this game. Yeah. That's what I mean. Upside down donkey pattern. The forbidden pattern. How to overcome fear is just repetition, Abdul. Repetition. So before you enter a trade, say, this is where I'm going to enter. This is where I'm going to cut partials, and this is where I'm going to take full TP. If it gets to there and I cut, I'm going to grab my keyboard and just stonk it over my head because I'm being a little bitch about it. Like, you have to make the decision before you enter the trade that you're going to hold it, and nothing based on emotion can stop you from holding it. If you cut it because you got scared, then apply the keyboard maneuver. Does it matter which mentorship I join, whether it's a swing trader or a day trader mentor? I mean, you shouldn't be, it should be the person. A mentorship's you're getting mentored by an individual. So I don't know about strategies and shit like that. Just make sure it's proven strat. You want to get trained by that person, and that's all that matters. In the keyboard we trust, exactly. So we're pushing up here. This is a good 30 level. Make sure you guys on YouTube drop a thumbs up for the stream. It means the world. Each thumbs up feeds my mum or something. Metal keyboard. Oh, Sylvia, you did. Yeah, not a bad play. I'd be way too scared personally, but. Trade University, it's called a ZVE10. Yo, Big Joe Trades, what up, my brother? Joezilla. I want to escape the 9 to 5, show me the path. Ooh, should I show the path? I think there's many paths, my G. There's so many paths, it's just which one do you want to take? Nearly 900 people here live on YouTube. If we all click like at the same time, then I can break a world record or something. Looking at trade bannies? Yeah, nice. Yeah, trade bannies, cool. 2.5 minutes here. See if we get a break above this level, 15 level. What's the distance to this point here? Yeah, we'll see. We cannot afford the mentorship, question mark. Yeah, I mean, get a better job or something. I don't know what to tell you, bro. Yeah, I wish I knew. I wish I had more answers for you. Any more podcasts coming? Yeah, I'm going to be podcast dropping with Orion funded English channel. Should be dropping soon, but I filmed that when I first got to Dubai. It was like on my first week here. What podcast should I do? I want to get onto, I want to contact, does anyone have, actually I do have a link to him. We actually follow each other. Titans of Tomorrow. I think that'd be dope. They're here in Dubai. All right, man, we've got a minute here. NQ's flipping around like a crazy cat. We've got 9:15 kicking in. If we can break above this level, I think we should have enough volume to at least give us a little pop. 0 volume, yeah, I know, it's tough, it's tough. Why courses are so expensive, makes money when they already make so much money, I'm trading. I mean, so think about it like this, if you learn a skill set that's very, very valuable and then you dedicate your time and energy and effort to teach others, it's going to cost a fee, right? That's kind of how business in the world works. So that's why it's probably more expensive. Yeah, this is a skill set that can change your life dramatically, so it's going to cost money. I don't know how much courses cost. I don't sell a course. I sell like mentorships. I'm essentially selling my time. Time's the most valuable asset you can sell. So we've got this candle coming in here, 9:15. Let's see. Wow, NQ's absolutely shit in the bed. It took me 2.5. Come on, gold, bro. At least just do something nice for once. Oh, Nikki, good idea. Look at this. She's trying. She's trying. Yeah, not bad, not bad. What does it look like on Forex? What do you guys think, man? 20 pips to this range here. Oh, it's pretty fucking ugly, man. It's pretty ugly. Fourth trade attempt for the day. I needed to get out of this first minute anyway. The money making ability has nothing to do with whether it's Forex or futures. Yeah, it's the individual strategy, all the shit. You know, give us a crack, whatever. See what's the worst that can happen. You know it's a good trade when when that's what you say before you enter it. Come on, gold, push, push, push. Yo, Big Young, what's up, my brother? Youngzilla. I'm about to piss my pants as well. Come on, man. All right, I got an order sitting there. It's a bit of a sketchy one. If you're going to enter as well, I wouldn't put the house on it. I just got to go to the toilet real quick.
Order filled.
Oh no. Okay, so it popped up there. Yep, she popped. She popped. Yeah, under this week, we'll see. See if we get a bit of a push here. Yeah, bank holiday shits. Fuck, that popped pretty high. Stop loss. What do we got? I mean, tight stop. I'll put my stop at 20 pips. Pretty freaking tight. Yeah. Please, gold, just be a good boy. I know it's bank holiday and all this shit and you've been acting weird, but you know, I've got 900 people on here on TikTok, on YouTube and all this other shit. Don't embarrass me in front of the girls. Don't embarrass me in front of the girls. I've never lost a trade. If I lose this trade, it's the first loss on stream and I've been streaming for 1.5 years. Full margin. Damn, nearly 1,000 people here. I've never had 1,000 people on YouTube at once. I wonder if we can get there. Tell your friends. Gold, push, bro, push. Push, little candle, push, fucking push. I did say this is an area of interest to poke its head above this. I wonder if it's going to bitch it after that. You'll pass this? Yeah, fair. Like I said, it's not the hottest setup, and we've got crazy low volume today. Or just weird volume. Look at NQ, man. This is bonkers. I don't say that word lightly. Jeez, this is reliable. I'm lonely. Well, brother, welcome to the stream. You got friends here now. If this breaks its own top wick, I'm going to go BE. I just want to aggressively manage these because of the volume and shit today. It's pretty midday to mid-Rooney. First time here, good to have you here. Drop a subscribe. Smash all of the buttons up. Absolutely smash your entire phone to pieces. Bro, TP please. Brother, I'm with you. TP please me as well. Let's all join the same club that are thinking that. Oh my God, I'm nearly at 1,000 views. I don't care about this trade. I just want to see the viewership hit 1,000. Fuck this trade. Hello from Bali. I'll see you there in April. My Balinese brother. Is it really at 1K? Mine says 988. Come on, go to 1K. Fuck this trade. Yeah, flip on me. It was. Once the trade's over, that'll go down to like 0. Yeah, this is ugly. What platform? This is Top Step. So in a trade here and got, oh my God, just flipped to 1,000 people. Just flip to 1,000. Come on, G. I'm about to go BE here. If this breaks its own top wick, yeah, I'm going BE. I'm managing. Good. Flip to 1,000. Don't worry about it. Don't flip to 1,000. Yes, there it goes. 1,000 live viewers on YouTube whilst winning a crazy trade. I'm the GOAT. I'm a GOAT. Bah. Big man tings. If I win this trade, I'm only up $4,000 over multiple accounts. Let's get it, chat. Yeah, I'm being here. If it breaks its own top wick one more time, I'm just going to put my shits there. Break 1 pip above its own top wick. See if I can get a little pop here. I would have usually cut size, but I'm using GC, not MGC, so I can't really cut 80%. Type shit. Just clicked with me how to move and manage the situation. Really? Yeah, on days like this, it's really good to manage. And if I get BE'd here, that's 3 BEs and 1 W today. Crazy. That's how this volume is at the moment. There we go. All right, I'm out.
Order filled.
Ice. Doubt me now, Mum. Mum, retire. Retire right now. Right fucking now. Drop a dub in the chat if you caught that. This is the first time I've ever taken a trade on stream. And I've been streaming for 1.5 years. I don't even know what I'm saying at this point. Drop a dub in the chat so I look cool on social media. Yes. I did it, Mum. I did it. I actually did it. All childhood trauma is healed with each W in the chat. Yippee. You guys, stressful session. Love you to bits. I'm going to head off now. Make sure you drop a thumbs up for the stream. And I'll be back tomorrow for the New York stream again. And we just do it again. I've been doing it for a year and a half, so we're going to do it for another year and a half or something. Appreciate you, gang. If you're interested in learning from me one-on-one, go to danielholmestrades.com and I'll catch up with you in the stream tomorrow. Thanks, chat, gang. Guys, love you, love you, love you. Bye-bye, bye.